The administration section in Aquila Cloud's FinOps platform assists the users in onboarding their environments on our platform, and by doing this they can see the status of data downloading, add users and give roles to them, add custom roles, integrate third-party authentications, and see the billing and utilization alerts. This section also supports settings for the optimizer actions, security and compliance rules or policies. On the environments page we can see the onboarded environments and can add new environments. We can configure service providers such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, Oracle, GCP. We can edit or delete the onboarded environments from this page. We can navigate to the environment log page to see billing details for specific environments by clicking See Environment Log Navigation link under Specific Environment. On the environment logs page we can view the environment name, environment type with their bill and data downloading status, updated time and details for the bill downloading activity. The user management page allows management of different users and their respective allocated roles within the FinOps platform. The dashboard has a list with all the user emails which have been registered on the platform, and status indicators to show which users are active at any given time. When adding or editing users, there are different options to alter access and privileges that can be configured. There are multiple authentication options that can be assigned to users and roles. These can be localized with a traditional username and password, or a single sign-on service such as Okta, Keycloak or Azure AD. Role and Privileges page assists to view and add custom roles. We can create a custom role by granting some of the privileges like access to certain domains, domain modification, perform optimizer actions, modify administration section. We can select desired privileges and grant a role to any user. The integration section in administration helps to add third-party authentication and provides ticket service for a user. Users can directly log into FinOps using third-party authentication without using the local username and password created in FinOps. The other integration service is the ticket service for the alerts that are generated when the threshold values match or exceed the selection criterion, or we can say an incident is created on the independent ticketing tool in the user's organization. Alerts and Messages page provides details such as alert type, alert count, alert details. On this page user can view the summary of billing and utilization alerts that are generated when the values for different parameters exceed the threshold values. Alerts are displayed on a daily and monthly basis. Here can also view the alert count for billing and utilization thresholds on a monthly as well as weekly basis. The settings page helps to do the configuration for the billing and utilization alerts. We can set the threshold values for the optimizer action, reserved instances. This page also supports adding and applying compliance rules or policies to environments. We can enable disable auto create domain, additional display currency and exchange rate. We can do all these settings on a company level or on domain level. For domain-specific settings, select desired domain from domain navigation link. This concludes the introduction to the admin section of FinOps. Please feel free to reach out to us in case any queries remain.